What a fine day it is, isn't it everybody? Do watch a tutorial video and in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how we guys can fix your temporary blocked on Messenger. So it's pretty simple, but you need to have a Facebook account. So why that? If you guys have a Messenger account, I think you guys know, or I think you guys have a Facebook account, because without a Facebook account you can't make a Messenger account. All right, but if you guys have a Facebook account, then you need to download Facebook and open your Facebook account and open that Facebook account which is linked with your Messenger. All right, you don't open a Facebook account of Ram when the Facebook account of Sham is blocked. All right, so my Witchy Kevin account on my Messenger is blocked, so I'm opening my Witchy Kevin Facebook account, which means my Facebook account is linked with my Messenger account. If you find this confused, just open the Facebook account with which your Messenger is blocked. Once you go to Facebook, before I show you the next step, if you guys are new to our channel App Tutorial, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, so you guys can get notified for our future video. Now let's get into it. Once you're in Facebook, click on where it says menu. Once you're in menu, scroll a bit down, click on help and support, then click on report a problem. Click on continue to report, and over here click on don't include in report. Over here scroll a bit down, click on others. Once you're over here, if you guys have a screenshot of your Messenger account being disabled, you can click on take screenshot and add it. But if you don't want to add any screenshot, over here you just want to write this. You want to write, my Messenger is temporarily blocked for no reason, please unblock it. Click on send. This problem will be sent to Facebook. Facebook staff will view it and they'll try to unblock your account. Because if your account is blocked, then the only way to unblock it is by contacting the staff. If somebody says go to this website, go to that website, then please don't. They're just trying to steal your information, alright? If your account was blocked, if you did something wrong, or if you violated a community guideline, then there's no way they're gonna unblock it. But this is like a temporary block, so you don't have to worry about it, alright? It is gonna be unblocked after some time. But if it was temporarily blocked for some other reason or by mistake, then sending this message to your Facebook staff is gonna fix it. So that's how we guys can do it. So if you guys found our video helpful, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye until then.